Hey, good morning. Today's adventure is to get this 65-inch television 7.5 feet off the floor up onto that mount. A TV with the bracket weighs 70 pounds and I got to lift it 7.5 feet. I'm going to do this all by myself. We're going to use a little high school physics. I got a block and tackle set up. I got 2 pulleys up top, 2 pulleys on the bottom. That gives me 4 ropes. So you take the 80, divide it by 4. I only have to pull 20 pounds on that rope to lift that television. Drawback is, since I get the 4-to-1 mechanical advantage, to lift that TV 1 foot off the floor, I have to pull 4 feet of rope. And this should be real easy. I'm going to hoist it up, I'll lock it on that bracket onto the mount up top, and it should be a piece of cake. Gotta get the cord inside the mount hole here. That's the problem. Ta-da! That television screen still remains a virgin. It won't be touched until I peel the laminate off the front. It's always something. Murphy's Law bit me in the ass. This 90-degree plug won't fit inside that recessed receptacle. Ain't that some shit? Well, I'll just cut that plug off and put my own on there, no big deal. This worked out just as I had envisioned it in my mind's eye. If I didn't have that 3/4 wall behind the TV, I'd have used 2 A-frame ladders on the sides of the television and done the same thing. So I know this install is probably very peculiar, but if there's anybody out there that could use this, please do. Hey, thanks for watching.